Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to fix brightness on MacBook. So first of all, at the top right corner, click on Control Center. Inside the Control Center, you will see a brightness slider. You can slide it to the left to decrease brightness and to the right to increase brightness. This helps you quickly adjust your screen according to your environment. Now if you click on the small arrow icon, it will open extra display options. Here you will see options like dark mode, night shift, and true tone. You can select these options according to your preference. For example, night shift reduces blue light and makes the screen warmer, which can help reduce eye strain. If you want more detailed control, you can click on Display Settings from here. Inside Display Settings, you will also find a brightness slider where you can fine-tune brightness more precisely. You will also see an option called Automatically Adjust Brightness. If you want your brightness to stay constant, simply turn this option off. And that's it. This is how you can adjust brightness and display settings on your Mac using Control Center. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.